So hey guys, hello, welcome back to the new video, and today I'll tell you top 5 apps that not only designers but every creative person should use. So if you guys are in 9 to 5 job, then you probably don't have time to read whole of the book. Story Short understands your need, and this app provides you the gist of the book in 15 to 20 minutes. So once I click on discover, and then let me choose less than 20-minute audiobooks, and let me click again on discover and choose a productivity category. So let's say I want to read this book, so I click this and it gives us option to read, listen or watch. So when I click read and I click free short, then it provides you a summary of the whole book, which you can read in 25 minutes. And let's say I want to listen the audiobook, so I can click on listen and tap free short and listen to the summary of the book. And let's say you want to watch a video with the summary of the book, you can click on watch, hit free short, and then you can basically see the video. If you are interested, you can read whole of the book or listen the whole audiobook, but for that you have to purchase a subscription. This app can be amazing for those person who like to read novels or productivity books in their free time. And you can find a bunch of cool designing books here. Like one of these is Hooked. So yeah, you can read the summary of the book or listen. So you can summarize all the main points within 15 to 20 minutes when you are free. Now the second app in our list is What the Font, and this can be very helpful for all the designers. And as the name suggests, it helps us identify what font is used in the text. So you can click on gallery, and then you can select an image, and let's say I want to know which font is used in this particular text. So I click here and I move forward. I used impact in this text, so let's see. Yeah, so the first result is impact STD Roman, so that's what I used in the text. So yeah, it gives us right results. Also, if you want, you can click the picture and identify what text is used in this picture. So let me select any of the text and it will give you the results. It's really simple and fast to use, and by using this app you can identify font within seconds. The next app in our list is to manage our time. So after you sign in, you will see this type of interface. You can simply click the plus button and add a task for the day, like let me say chat app UI design, and I want to do it today by let's say 6:30 p.m. Okay, and then I'll click reschedule and it will schedule to today 6 p.m. and then I can click OK. It will go in the inbox list. I can also add a subtask to it, so let me add 2-3 subtasks over here, like creating wireframe, adding images, things like that. Also, let me add another tasks. So let me say learn about images, and you can also give it priority, so I want it at first priority, and yeah, send. And then by clicking here you can sort it by a priority, so you know which task to do first. You can also add time, so click here, add time 6:30 and reschedule it. Then it will add a task. After you click on this little circle, this will mark it complete. In the premium version you can add alarm and add labels also, but in the free version you are limited to these type of things only. This app can be really helpful in managing your day, and from the first hour of the day you know what to do and what to prioritize, and you have all your tasks noted in this app. The fourth and last app in our list is Draft. So suppose your client says that he wants something to change in your design, and to note that changes you don't have to always run for pen and paper. Drafts can make it easy to save any text. So once you click on plus button, you add a random text and then just save it. Add another task, save it, and like that. To delete the text, you click on the text and you click on this icon and tap delete. To edit the text, you click on the text and start editing. And once you are done, click save. So as you can see, it is really simple and fast way for noting down your important points or for noting any type of text, and that's how a noting app should be. So that is it for today guys, and I'll see you in the next one.